Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet this cute and soft pad. We crochet it by fingers, it's very easy. Diameter of yarn about 2 centimeters. Let's start now. Wind the yarn like that. Then we make a knot like that. Pull a loop through the center. Pull yarn through the center. Then here are 2 loops on the fingers. Next, pull yarn through these 2 loops. It's a single crochet, that's the first stitch. Mark it. The second stitch in the same way. That's the second stitch. Here, we get 3 stitches. Repeat to make another 5 stitches. Here we get 8 stitches. Pull the tail to close the ring. It's the first stitch. From it, we start the second round. Into it, make 2 single crochet. That's the first single crochet. Still into the first stitch of last round, we make the second single crochet. Still mark the first stitch. Next to single crochet into the second stitch of the first round. Here we get 8 sets, 16 stitches in total. Next, the third round. 1 of single crochet into the first stitch. Next to single crochet into the second stitch. That's 1 set, includes 3 stitches. Mark the first stitch. Repeat another 7 times. Here we get 3 rounds. Next, the fourth round. First one, single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next are single crochet. Next one, single crochet. That's one set, includes 4 stitches. Repeat 7 times. Here we get 4 rounds. Keep the last stitch unfinished. Here we go. Use the white yarn to finish this stitch. Pull yarn to make 1 chain. The second chain. Roll 2 times. Pull yarn through the first stitch. Pull yarn through 2 loops. Then through 2 loops. Then through the last 2 loops. That's 1 stitch. Repeat to make another 2 such stitches. Chain 3. Next one, single crochet. That's 1 petal. Repeat to make another 5 petals. Here we get the lovely pad. Thanks for your company.